What's up guys, I make more than $200 today trading forex for myself, and I give this particular strategy, the signal, for all my team member on my Telegram channel. You guys should just make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and try to subscribe to this YouTube channel to be getting notification every blessed. Click on this subscribe button, subscribe, because I'll be trying to post different content on forex trading on this particular YouTube channel. All right, make sure you subscribe and like and share this video to your friends. So you can see this is over $300 made today in forex, and even last week I make more than you can see more than $958 a day in forex. You can see this is $958 in forex trading. You can see this is cool, this is cool money. This is very cool money. All right, you can see very easy. So right now, if you want to participate with me, you need to try to join my recommended broker. You can see this is the signal I gave today. I said you guys should buy around this particular area. This is entry around 2722. Then you can sell around TP and the TP all the TP went through successfully. You can see this is the TP. You can see the TP went through successfully in this particular trading strategy. So let me just go to my trading view. But if you want to join, please guys, if you want to be in my VIP group as well, try to message me on WhatsApp. I can add you to my VIP group to be getting consistent signal every blessed day. Let me show you my trading view strategy I use. All right, you can see guys, this is the particular you can see this is the trade. I took that particular trade around this area. You can see this is my entry point, and I target this particular area, and the market went through. I normally enter the market. I normally look for opportunity on the market. All right, I normally look for opportunity. So I buy, because when the coin first when the price break out this particular resistance, there is one resistance here before. There is one resistance here before, like this. There is one resistance here before around this area. So when the market break this particular level, I try to wait for pullback before I enter trade. So I normally look for opportunity, and everything went through successfully. If you want to join me in forex trading, you guys just make sure to join my Telegram chat and register with my recommended broker to be getting consistent profit every blessed day, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Join right down by